Ay, huwag ka mag-chance. Kaya tama na maganda time lang. Kahit anong oras. Scott, what is time is now? Almost 5 o'clock. My God. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Oh, super foggy. As in, kakauwi ko lang. Oh. So foggy talaga. Dito kasi medyo madilim sa maliwanag pa. Pero talagang sa personal, mga kamimay. Sa lahat, magbukas tayo ng G lang. 1, 2, 3. Pag-on ang inyong kamimay. Super work. Sana all my work. Anong ganap natin mga kamimay? Wala, magluluto lang ako, ordinary luto. Tingnan nyo naman kahit anong kalahati na ng January. My God, marami. May mga Christmas tree pa rin ako. May Christmas. Ay. Oh, gala pa more. Kamimay, gala pa more. Ang jowa, super gala pa din. Thank you, Scott, for this. Dinala niyo ako nito.
I like the heart already.
Strawberry.
Strawberries.
Ang sarap.
Dat is goed, hè? Ik stelde het goed. Er wordt gevraagd, hoe komt u aan aardbeien zo vroeg? Toen zei hij, ja, dat zijn echt gewoon onze aardbeien. En ik vroeg er niet eens om. Hij had ze al ingepakt. Ik moest ze gewoon...
You have more?
Nee, ja, we hebben niet dat hoor. Echt de rollen.
Morgan, kan ik brengen?
Ja hoor. Daar zijn ze voor, liever. Dat is waar je bij.
After you, I cook now, ha?
Ja. Dat is waar je dan ook naar contact zet.
Grabe. Ang lamig sa paa. Ubus na agad Tama, nakakain na kami mamaya. Ang lamig na. Yeah. Kailangan kong kumuha ng okay. What's this one? Ah, this is mine. Medyas, day. Mag-medyas tayo, day. Talagang napakalamig. Grabe. Grabe kalamig. Ang lamig, day. Mag-medyas tayo, day. Lamig. Grabe, as in. Welcome to my channel. Hi, Sky. Dito kami sa Rotterdam shop. Yes, it's weekend. So, it's Friday night. We were going to Amsterdam. Pupunta tayo sa Amsterdam mga kamimay dahil pupuntahan natin sa famous museum sa Amsterdam. History yan dito sa the Netherlands. Halika na, bago pa ako mag-emote.
Let's go up.
Amsterdam! Ito kami sa museum mga kamimay. Friday today. Yan, dito yan tayo. Amsterdam. Yan. Daming police, day. Where we going, Scott? Orsdorp?
Museum.
Yeah, nee, which place? In the tram. We're waiting a tram. It is a tram already.
Ja, nummer 17.
Ooh, Victoria.
Ja.
Yes, this is 17. This ito na ang tram namin. Sasakay kami. Pupunta tayo sa museum. Undercan. Nee. Nee, wacht.
Ja, wel de.
Scott. Nee, it's wachten. Waiting for the tram. Still stuck there. In front of the Amsterdam Central. Dito tayo ngayon mga kamimay. Pack na pack. It's Friday night here in the Amsterdam, the Netherlands time. What time is it? Almost 8 o'clock in the evening. Diba? Pack si kuya. Pack na pack. Dito na tayo sa loob ng train mga kamime. Amsterdam tram pala, tram. Dito na tayo mga kamime. Ang dilim. Oh, ang dilim. Tingnan yung boat mga kamime. Tapos yung bahay. Oh, diba? Oh, kita nyo yung bahay yan. Oh, diba? Nasa kanal. Oh, ganda. Jowa, oh. Talagang so, it's cute, the house. Pancakes, Amsterdam. Where? War na to. Pancake? Ang dilim. Ayan, meron pa rin nagbo-boating. Tourist boat. Still, they have inside. Oh, dito na tayo. Welcome by Anne Frank House. Dito tayo kay Anne Frank House. Anne Frank. Woo! Dito tayo kay Anne Frank. The history is revealed soon. Yes, dito na tayo kay Anne Frank. Garderobe ears. Ooh, let's go. Anne Frank. Dito tayo. Para sa inyo mga kamimay. Going up.
Transit camp. In the camp they have to work, awaiting deportation. The helpers Johannes Kleiman and Victor Kugler are imprisoned in Amersfoort camp. On the 3rd of September 1944, the Ater is hidden in the secret annex.
This is the Museum of Anne Frank. Grabe. Yan o, dahil sa madilim na yan. Gabi na tayo nagpunta eh. Yan, dito yarn. Dito yarn. Malapit kay Dern. Yan, Dern. Ang jowa talagang chumika pa doon sa loob. Ayun o. Chumika talaga siya dahil. Ayun. Ayun, jowa. Chumika talaga siya. Yes, mga kamime. Tapos na tayo kay Anne Frank. Ano ba yan? Dilim. Dito yun sa likod ko, yan oh, yun oh, dyan ang bahay niya. Ayan ang bahay ni Anne Frank. Papakita ko sa inyo sa, ayan ang bahay. Hoy, ang ingay ng ng boat. So, overall this one, Scott, oh, yeah, oh, I see. You know, I see that one, oh.
Yeah.
Also Boven, but Boven.
The office spaces in front.
Oh yeah. But at the back.
But I think that's hard to see because it's like very inside there.
Yan, dito yan, kay Anne Frank. Ay! Tapos may boating.
The VIP boat.
Oh eh?
Yeah.
Uy, lekker to Lopen. Ganda. What can you say about Anne Frank?
It's, I think, one of the worst stories of history in our country.
You know, I don't understand why that moment they are so angry to Jewish people. I don't have any idea.
Well, actually, in that time, it was wartime. And like the Nazis from Germany, they invaded a lot of countries in Europe.
Nazi is like for German.
Yeah, like the Hitler followers.
Ah, Hitler, yeah. So Hitler is angry for all the Jews.
The Second World War.
So Hitler
kind of hated the Jews.
Why is Hitler is so hated Jews?
What I hear and read is that the Jews were actually
a kind of religious,
very rich people.
Rich people?
Rich people, yeah, they're smart.
Oh, yeah.
And
that's why
kay
Anne Frank, yeah. Kay Anne Frank. Kay the Frank family.
So his mind was like the Jews were stealing every kind of you think, sir. I don't know what's the other base,
Yeah.
but they were the rich people. Say the Germans are actually more poor than the Jews, and I think that's one of the points that Hitler
That's why it's hate the Jewish
made him
people.
hate the Jews because of that, which is not a shame. It's just a mindfuck.
My God!
actually.
And then they bring
That's
us
my
in the
own
Poland. I see in the picture.
Yeah.
Oh,
And that's why he
it's
kind
just
of wanted,
it's like a kind of a dog house, animal house. Terrible, as in.
disgusting.
There's no human rights before.
It's not human at all.
Yeah, no.
It's
Yeah.
like treating them as animals.
Yeah. We've been long time when I'm just starting here. I really want to go to Anne Frank, but so expensive. Then we don't have a time. Museum we need to book, and now is a time.
Yeah, and
We have a
actually,
museum. Thank you for the museum card.
and actually it's good our timing because later part going
That's
to
the
summer.
birthday gift of my love. Museum
Yeah,
card
yeah.
to me. Sabi ko kasi gusto ko mag-aral. Gusto ko matuto. Ayaw niya ako, hindi niya ako in-enroll. Ayun, binigyan na lang niya ako museum card. Shipeda. Welcome to sa Amsterdam night ulit tayo. Scott, Red Light District pa. Yung favorite. Oh, wow. This is different. We walk where? Okay, let's walk over here. Hello, Amsterdam.
A video anywhere you want.
Yes, like
It's Vrijdag, alsjeblieft.
Zijn er toch?
Trump. Ang jowa mo na Hi Scott, welcome to the Amsterdam night. First time we've been in the Amsterdam night late.
Voor het eerst sinds heel lang dat we op vrijdagavond met de trein.
Oei, Amsterdam night. Hi Scott.
You like padden?
No card allowed. but my jowa allowed. Dito kami sa burger. What is burger? Burger bar.
Not too much burger, but so lekker.
Titingnan natin ang pinagmamalak ng jowa. Diba? Matagal niya sinasabi sa akin to. Like mo, burger bar. Try natin kung anong masarap. Sabi niya dito yan ako pa. Burger. Ito na ang pinagmamalaki ng aking jowang burger na burger.
Deze is zo lekker.
Ito na ang burger na laki niya. What this burger?
Smash!
Why you bidul smash? They smash the patty. Oh, I wanna try. Let's me. The burger. Ito yung pinagmamalaki niya. Let's try. Bitis lang. Ang sarap. So juicy. Panalo.
Dit vond ik wel.
Hi! Maganda tayo lahat. Maganda channel. It's me, your comedy vlog. Nandito tayo sa hall ng Rotterdam dahil manunod tayo ng film festival. Tingnan naman sa dami ng tao, day! Oh, ang daming tao, day! Dahil film festival na naman sa Netherlands. Oh. I mean in my city, Rotterdam. Ang ganda ng painting, oh. Manunod tayo today ng film festival. Hindi ko alam po anong movie. Pagjowa na book. Last day of the month of January. Last day of the month. Last day of the day. Ang gulo ni kami. Ayun ang jowa. Wow. Galing toilet. Galing toilet. Hi. Where you been? Where we are now?
In de Schouwburg.
What we gonna do here?
We gaan naar een voorstelling.
What is voorstelling in English?
Weet ik veel.
What?
We gaan naar een show.
A film festival.
Ja.
Yeah?
We gaan gewoon een film kijken.
Yes.
We're going to the movie.
Yes. Every year.
The film festival, movie festival,
Klopt.
whatever you call it.
Film festival of the
Like
Rotterdam.
the first full day of the festival, so we're gonna join the movie. I think we can go up actually.
Now?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, go. Yes, naka-line up na kami. Dito yan sa movie. Oh. Ganda was this? Arts. Movie. Movie time.
Dutch premiere of the film Getaway, directed by Stefan Haars. And Stefan is with us tonight. So Stefan, please come up and give him a warm welcome.
This is what I like about Amy.
Stefan, would you like to say a few words to the audience before the film starts?
Just a few. It's of course super awesome that we're here and that you guys are here. I think it's sold out, which is amazing. Which I also never believed because there's always a couple of free seats, but still, it's amazing. It's weird to. I mean, I made this film back to back with Crazy House, which premiered here, the Dutch premiere last year, in dezelfde zaal.
Nederland and English.
Like a deja vu, but yeah, I'm pretty lucky that that's happening. So yeah, I can say lots of stuff about the film, but I'm not going to. I think it's better to just experience it. So enjoy it.
So if you have some time after the screening, please stay around. We'll be back and there will be a Q&A and there will also be the opportunity for you to ask questions. And I wish you all a lot of fun with the film.
I had to do that. The thing is, I got introduced to Nick Frost because of this film, with his script, which I loved immediately. And then the thing was that we were going to shoot this film right away, but it got pushed back in planning. So we already, Flip and I already had Crazy House the script, and we were looking for an actor. And then we felt like, hey, wow, we're already talking with Nick Frost. This is perfect, and he loved Crazy House, so we could just.
Way back home mga kamimay. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video dahil bakit? Ang daming tao. At hindi ako nag-enjoy sa pinanood ko. Sa totoo lang, hindi siya masyado maganda. Get away. No. What can you say about the movie?
We get away.
What? We get away because
It was kind of little. I said it.
yeah, murderer.
Yeah, but
Too much murderer. That's why it's in the island. One of the island of in the plot of the movie is one of the island of Sweden. Blah 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 for family and
just
then they
because
have
the
a twist.
director was familiar to that island.
Oh, I see.
That's what he explains, huh?
Familiar in that island.
Yeah, that's how they
He
choose it.
he always be there.
His ex-wife is from Sweden. They always go to the island, and he didn't like it. So that's the perfect location for the plot.
Ah, that
for the
because
movie.
The director have ex-wife from Sweden.
Yeah, the friend of the director.
Oh.
So also they co-worked in the production.
So they don't like it, so they choose
that. I think that was a funny twist.
Actually, that is in Sweden?
Yeah, it's a Swedish island.
Hindi ko talaga siya bet, mama. Bigla akong napagod at bigla akong na-stress. Pag naisip ko talaga mga systematic ng aking mga sa trabaho ko'y napapagod bigla. Oh, buti na lang I'm free today and tomorrow and then need to work again on Sunday. Ganun talaga ang life dito. Lumalaban tayo. Laban kung laban. Talagang super laban. Pagod na ang katawan, pagod pa ang isip. Sa Pilipinas, waiting lang sila gumanyan, day. Waiting lang sila sa araw ng pagkuha ng ng sustento. Diyos ko Lord, kung alam lang nila. Huwag na tayo magkwenta pa. Baka tayo ay ma-chismis. Okay, bye-bye.